Welcome to my channel. My name is Ali, and I'm here to help you improve your English pronunciation. Good pronunciation is essential for effective communication. You don't have to speak like a native speaker, but it's important to speak clearly. Did you know that clear pronunciation is one of the most important aspects of language learning? According to a British Council report, it can help you communicate more effectively and boost your confidence. There are many different English accents, and they're all good models. My accent is standard Southern British English, and that's what I'll be showing you on this site. So, let's get started on improving your English pronunciation today. With videos, quizzes, activities, and downloads, you'll be speaking English like a pro in no time. For more extensive learning, join me on my YouTube channel, English Practice Lab. The link is provided in the description of the video.